are here at the 2026 AISTech Conference, which is where all the steel makers and vendors of the steel industry gather once a year for a great technology conference and show. And man, it's record attendance. The U.S. steel industry is rocking.
Excellent!
Since its formation, the Systems Group has been part of this show. We've been coming for well over 20 years, and we're really proud to be the premier sponsor of the show. This is the hub of steel, and everything we do has something to do with the steel industry. We do piping and contracting work, plant maintenance, dust collectors, water filters, refractory services, spray-cooled electric arc furnaces. Our shops can make just about anything a steel mill can dream of.